नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु मु ज्ञान रंजन स्वागत करुँच आपको फाइट फॉर एग्जाम यूट्यूब चैनल को सीटीबीडी माराथन क्लास चलती ए डेली मक टेस्ट जो होची जो माने सीटीबीडी एंट्रेंस में प्रिपरेशन करूछंती 2020 किंबा अलग एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन करूछंती साइंस गोटे इंपोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करुछि आपनकर सब एग्जाम चाहू से ग्रुप डी हो आरआरबी एनटीपीसी हो ओपीएससी हो ओएसएससी हो डिफरेंट एग्जाम मु मक टेस्ट नहीं आसी साइंस रो मक टेस्ट तेणु आ डेरी नकारी आपणकर सीटी सीटी बीडी और आरआरबी एनटीपीसी ग्रुप डी जो मैंने प्रिपरेशन कर भिडियो को प्रथम शेष पर्यंत देखि नियंतु केते मार्क रखिले निश्चय कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखि पठांतु एवं तले थिबा घंटी आइकन को दबाई चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर नियंतु तापर हमर रिसेंट अपडेट्स आपण माने पाई परिबे। चलन आरंभ करिया। या फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। Question number 1. A hunter on the guard on the ground wishes to shoot the bird at a distance with his rifle. A hunter on the ground wishes to shoot a bird on a tree at a distance with his rifle. He has to point the rifle. Option A, at the lower elevation of the bird. B, at the higher elevation than the bird. C, at the same direction as the bird. D, vertically upward. So correct answer is at the higher elevation than the bird. Option number B is the correct answer. Go to next question. The distance between two bodies is halved. The distance between question number 2. The distance between two bodies is halved. Now the force of attraction between them will be force of attraction तांका भितर केते हबो? Option A half, B 1/4, C 4 times, D 2 times. So correct answer is option number C, that is 4 times. Go to next question. A cyclist leans inwards. A cyclist leans inwards when he is negotiating a curve 10 that. Option A, he may increase his speed. B, his weight may be reduced. C, necessary centripetal force may be available from the horizontal component of the normal due to track to maintain curve motion. D, no frictional force may be produced between the wheels and the axle. So correct answer for the question is necessary centripetal force may be available from the horizontal component of the normal race to maintain the curve motion. Go to next question number 4. If the speed of the rotation of the earth increases, the weight of a body, option A, will increase, B, will decrease, C, will have no change, D, will either increase or decrease. So correct answer is will decrease. Option B is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 5. In a vacuum, the following 3 articles are dropped at the same time and from same height. Which will reach the ground quicker? Option A, a stone. B, a piece of wood. C, a feather. D, all will reach the ground at the same time. So correct answer is all will reach the ground at the same time. Option number D is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 6. Railway tracks are banked on curves so that option A, the necessary centrifugal force may be obtained from the horizontal component of the weight of the iron. B, the frictional force between the track and the wheels is avoided. C, the necessary centripetal force may be derived from horizontal component of the weight iron. D, none of the above. So correct answer is the necessary centripetal force may be derived from horizontal component of the weight of the train. Go to next question. Question number 7. A boy is swinging a ball attached to a string in horizontal circle. If the string snaps, option A, the ball will travel towards the center of the circle and fall down. B, it will continue to travel along a tangent to the circle at the point the ball was at the time of snapping and finally fall down. C, it will fall down at the same place where the asking breaks. D, none of the above. So correct answer is it will continue to travel along a tangent to the circle at the point the ball was at the time of snapping and finally fall down. Option number B is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 8. The time period, the period of oscillation of a simple pendulum. The period of oscillation of a simple pendulum depends upon option A, mass of the bob, B, material of the bob, C, amplitude of vibration, D, acceleration due to gravity at the site of experiment. So correct answer is acceleration due to gravity at the site of experiment. Go to next question. Question number 9. If a body weighs 10 Newton on the surface of the earth, how much will it weigh on the surface of the moon where acceleration due to gravity is 1/6 that of the earth's surface? Option A, 12 Newton, B, 2 Newton, C, 10 Newton, D, 6 Newton. So correct answer is 2 Newton. 12 ଅଛି 12 1/6 ହେବ କେତେ 12 ଗୁଣନ କି 6 ଆସିଗଲା 2. So next question. Question number 10. On applying a constant force to a mass, it moves with a uniform. Option A, velocity, B, momentum, C, acceleration, D, angular velocity. So correct answer is acceleration. Option C is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 11. When a particle in motion is acted upon by a force in a direction perpendicular to the direction of motion, the path followed by the particle will be option A, straight line, B, an ellipse, C, a circle, D, parabola. So correct answer is D, a parabola. Go to next question. Question number 12. When a body is taken to the poles from the equator, its weight become option A, greater, B, less, C, same, D, none of the above. So correct answer is greater. Option A is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 13. When a body is projected upwards, the time for the upward journey and downward journey are same. B, the upward journey takes more time. C, the downward journey takes more time. D, can't be said. So correct answer is option number A. The time for upward journey and downward journey are same. Go to next question. Question number 14. Frictional force act in option A, the same direction as motion, B, opposite direction of motion, C, all direction, D, upward air. So correct answer is opposite direction of motion. Go to next question. The force that keeps a body in a circular motion is called option A, centripetal force, B, centrifugal force, C, frictional force, D, all of the above. So correct answer is centripetal force. Go to next question. The Earth satellite Aryabhatta was put in orbit by India on option A, October 20, 1978, B, November 14, 1978, C, January 26, 1979, D, April 19, 1975. So correct answer is April 19, 1975. Go to next question. The minimum velocity required by a satellite to escape Earth's gravitational pull is option A, 18 km per second, B, 11.2 km per second, C, 21 km per second, D, 35 km per second. So correct answer is 11.2 km per second. Go to next question. Question number 18. When a satellite is in a geostationary orbit, the force keeping it in orbit is option A 0, B centrifugal force, C reaction due to steady burning fuel, D the gravitational pull on the body by the earth is the weight of the body which provides the centripetal force. So correct answer is option number D. That is which the gravitational force on the body by the earth is the weight of the body which provides centripetal force. Go to next question. The period of geostationary, that is synchronous satellite orbit orbiting the earth over the equator is option A 16 hour, B 12 hour, C 20 hour, D 24 hours. So correct answer is option D, that is 24 hour. Go to next question. Question number 20. The escape velocity of a satellite projected from the surface of the earth is independent of option A the mass of the earth, B mass of the satellite, C radius of the earth, D gravitation of the earth. So correct answer is mass of the satellite. Option B is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 21. When ice melts, its volume, option A decreases, B increases, C remains the same until the ice has melted and increases, D remains the same. So correct answer is option number A. When ice melts, its volume decreases. Go to next question. When water is cooled from 4 degrees Celsius to 2 degrees Celsius, its density, option A increases, B decreases, C remains same, D first increases then decreases. So correct answer is decreases. Go to next question. When a ball is placed on the surface of Mercury, it doesn't sink because option A of the surface tension of Mercury, B Mercury is a semi-solid, C of the high viscosity of Mercury, D the density of Mercury is greater than that of steel. So correct answer is the density of Mercury is greater than that of steel. Go to next question. A piece of ice floating in water kept in a beaker. Floating, ये होगा floating. When the ice melts, the level of water will option A first rise then fall, B fall, C remains the same, D rise. So correct answer is remains the same. Option number C is the correct answer. Go to next question. 25. A person doesn't sink in the Dead Sea because option A the sea contains a large amount of other salt besides sodium chloride, B the density of the person is less than the density of Dead Sea water, C the surface tension due to salt water in the Dead Sea, D of difference in mass. So correct answer is the density of the person is less than the density of Dead Sea water. Option B. Go to next question. A ship sailing from a river to the sea. Option A. Sink less in the sea. B. Sinks more in the sea. C. Neither sinks more nor less in the sea. D. Sinking more or less depends upon the sea. So correct answer is sink less in the sea. Go to next question. Question number 27. When a body is partly or wholly immersed in liquid, the apparent loss of weight is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced by the submerged portion. This is known as option A Pascal law, B Bernoulli's law, C Archimedes law, D Boyle's law. So correct answer is Archimedes law. Go to next question. Question number 28. A bucket of water is hung from a spring balance. A piece of iron is suspended in the water without touching the sides or touching the bottom of the bucket. The reading of the spring balance, option A will increase, B will decrease, C doesn't change, D varies with increase of depth of the immersion of the iron piece. So correct answer is will increase. Option A is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 29. When a boat with rock floods in the middle of the swimming pool. A man in the boat throws the rocks overboard. The level of the water pool will option A increase, B decrease, C remains the same, D first decrease then increase. So correct answer is option B, that is decrease. So ଏଇଥିଲା ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସିଟିବିଡ଼ିର ବହୁତ ସିଟିବିଡ଼ି ଏନ୍ଟିପିସି ଯେଉଁମାନେ ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଥିଲା ସାଇନ୍ସର ମେଗା ସିରିଜ୍ ଡେଲି ମକ୍ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ନେଇ ଆସିଛୁ। ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଆର୍ଆର୍ବି ଏନ୍ଟିପିସି ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ଡି ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ହେଲ୍ପଫୁଲ୍ ହେବ, ନଟ୍ ଓନ୍ଲି ଫର୍ ସିଟିବିଡ଼ି ବଟ୍ ଅଲ୍ସୋ ଫର୍ ଏଭ୍ରି ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍। ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ, ଆପଣ ଏଭ୍ରି ରିସେଣ୍ଟ ଅପଡେଟ୍ସ ପାଇବେ। ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦିନ ଶୁଭ ମଙ୍ଗଳମୟ ହେଉ।